students and friends. I am here before you with the adverb, correct uses of adverbs. And these adverbs are commonly used in different sentences, but their uses are very typical. So let us understand the uses of common words used very typically in different sentences. Correct use. Let us understand correct use of some adverbs. Some adverbs. कुछ adverbs का सही प्रयोग सीखा जाए और वो adverbs very common adverbs. They are very common and but very typical. Uses of them, of those adverbs very common but very typical. जैसे for an example very और एक और शब्द है आपका much. Very and much. These are the adverbs. The first I would like to touch, I would like to take very. Very is always used. Very is sometimes used with a positive degree of adjective and adverb. Positive degree और adjective का या adverb के साथ very प्रयोग हो रहा है, होता है. Socrates was very wise. Socrates बहुत ही बुद्धिमान था. Very adverb and wise adjective. ये आपका adverb है and this is your adjective. The mangoes taste स्वाद देते हैं very sweet. एक एक दो दो उदाहरण देते चलते हैं. Very adverb and sweet adjective. So here you can see very used with adjective. Very used with adjective here. You can see in these two sentences. मैंने फिर कहा अभी. Next, Bassanio loved Portia. Bassanio loved Portia very dearly. Very का प्रयोग है and dearly. ये adverb हो गया. Very adverb and dearly here adverb, right? Very often dearly, very adverb and dearly adverb to very used with adverb. Adverb with adverb. Okay, adverb with adjective. Here you can see adverb with adverb. Bassanio, she draws the pictures. She draws the pictures very beautifully, very nicely. Beautifully or nicely. So very adverb and beautifully adjective. So very used with adjective, very used with adverb. In this sense, now very has been used. Okay. और इन उदाहरण को आप लिखते भी चलिए और समझते चलिए. Next, very is used with the present participle expressing quality. Made. Very with the present participle. यहाँ पर आपने देखा था मेरी का प्रयोग हमने किया था. very और very with the adjective and very with the adverb. Adverb को आपने देखा है अभी, लेकिन यही the same very is used here, will be used here very with the participle, present participle. Present participle. present participle means verb ing, gerund participle, infinitive gerund participle आप पढ़ चुके हैं, मेरी वीडियो पीछे की देखिए. Very with the present participle. The story told by my mother, the story is very interesting. The story is very interesting. Interesting, present participle, and very adverb. Here adverb and interesting, present participle. रुचिकर, story बहुत ही रुचिकर है. So here you can see here adverb with the present participle. Story बहुत interesting है. और the behavior of her is very insulting. उसका व्यवहार बहुत ही अपमानजनक है. Insulting, very adverb and insulting. This is your present participle. Very insulting. The death news is very shocking. किसी की भी मौत हो जाती है तो शॉकिंग होता है. शॉक प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल एंड वेरी adverb. The death news is very shocking. बहुत शॉकिंग है. कोई पिक्चर देखते हैं तो the scene of the picture, the scene looks very terrifying or frightening. Scene जो है पिक्चर का ये बहुत ही frightening, भय करने वाली, and very adverb, very adverb and frightening. Now भय करने वाली means present participle. क्या बतलाता है ये गुण बताता है. तो insulting or shocking or interesting or frightening ये एक तरह से गुण का बोध कराता है, गुण बताता है. तो here this is why I have told you के uses of very common, but typically they are used in different sentences. Common है और typical भी है. Very को आपने देखा. Just I would like to take much. अब much को देखिए. इस much को देखा जाए भाई. Much generally used with the comparative degree of adjective. Sometimes used comparative degree. She is नहीं, he is ले लीजिए. He is much better. आपने देखा होगा much का प्रयोग पिछले एडवर्ब में भी हमने देखा था. He is much better than him. Much better than him, उससे much better, उससे बढ़िया है. तो much you see here adverb much with adjective और वो भी क्या है comparative degree है. Much with comparative degree. Here you can see here the mangoes, अभी आपने प्रयोग देखा था ऊपर. The mangoes are much sweeter. Sweet और comparative degree sweeter than guavas. अमरूदों से कहीं much sweeter, ज्यादा मीठा होता है. कौन? मैंगोज मीठे होते हैं. तो much adverb and sweeter here adjective. यहाँ पर ले रहा है। अच्छा, मच जैसा उसमें आपने देखा मच आपको सॉरी वेरी प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल था, और मच भी यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल सॉरी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ले लेता है। देखिए जैसे पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कैसे लेता है, मच विद पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, मच विद पास्ट पार्टिसिपल लेता है और इसका क्या निकालता है, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। इसको आप देखिए यहाँ वेरी जो था विद सॉरी मच विद एडजेक्टिव कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, ये मच विद एडजेक्टिव और भी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के साथ था। You can see here, you have seen here, and here you will see much with past participle. Past participle के साथ ये प्रयोग होगा। कैसे? I am pleased. I am pleased with you. मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ। Here you see past participle. I am much pleased. much तो छोड़ दिया है आपने। I am much pleased. I am much pleased with you. मैं आपसे बहुत प्रसन्न हूँ। फिल्म सुना है ना, मोगाम्बो खुश हुआ। Much pleased. Here, ये this is your adverb, much adverb, and pleased ये past participle PP, past participle है। तो ये यहां पर आप देख सकते हैं, I am much surprised. I am much surprised to see him. मैं उसको देख करके या देखने पर, to see him, much surprised, much adverb and surprised here past participle. You can see. और ये क्या बताता है? Pleased or surprised, what does it mention? तो pleased या surprised, what does it mention? It mentions quality. एक तरह से quality है आपका, and ये गुण बता रहा है। much ज्यादा, अधिक, सरप्राइज्ड आश्चर्यचकित, मीन्स क्या बता दिया इसमें? गुण बता दिया। इट शोज गुण। मच को आपने देखा, और इसके बाद वेरी को आपने देखा। वेरी को क्या देखा? और मच को आपने देखा। क्या देखा? अभी प्रयोग करके दिखाया गया है और उसकी प्रैक्टिस करेगी। लेबर हार्ड, work hard, practice in different sentences these two adverbs here given to you, very and much. Next pair I would like to touch, that is to and very. हम to और very का समझने का फिर प्रयास करते हैं। to and very, अभी very को आपने देखा है, फिर देखिए to and very कब प्रयोग होंगे? To means here, to means more than enough. In this sense, more than enough. What does it mean? More than enough. What does it mean? It means generally a to, it is now generally it gives negative expression. Negative expression ये देता है, और for unpleasant things, unpleasant, for unpleasant things. In case there is an unpleasant thing in expression, in that case it expresses negative expression. Negative expression it has. जैसे the wind is too cold. हवा, बहुत ही मोर देन एनफ मीन्स बहुत ही पर्याप्त से भी आगे बढ़ करके. टू कोट, टू एडवर्ब कोट, टू कोट इन दिस सेंस. शी इज टू वीक, वह बहुत ही कमजोर है. टू ये सब निगेटिव सेंस में है. टू नेगेटिव सेंस में और इसको बढ़ा सकते हैं. शी इज टू वीक टू वॉक. देखिए अब इसका प्रयोग पीछे भी आपने पढ़ा है. टू मैंने बताया कि निगेटिव सेंस दे रहा है. देखिए शी इज टू वीक टू वॉक, इतनी कमजोर है कि चल फिर नहीं सकती है. नहीं शब्द नहीं आया है, बट इट कन्वेज नेगेटिव एक्सप्रेशन, नेगेटिव मीनिंग इट कन्वेज. So too weak to walk, and she is too fat to stand up. वह इतनी मोटी है कि बेचारी खड़ी भी नहीं हो सकती है. Means here you see adverb followed by to infinitive, or it conveys negative meaning in case expression that is unpleasant expression. In that case it conveys negative meaning, and to means here more than enough. In this sense now to has been used in the different sentences. Okay dear, to को आपने देखा, very को भी देखिए, इसी सेंस में चलते हैं. For pleasant things, ये very here for pleasant expression, for pleasant expression, for pleasant thing, and very here means to a great extent, ज़्यादा हद तक. In this sense very to be used here. Great extent means अत्यंत. हिंदी में आप इसको लिख सकते हैं अत्यंत, समझ सकते हैं. और प्लेजेंट सेंस में आएगा. तो कैसे प्रयोग करते हैं भाई? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड, लेट अस यूज सम सेंटेंसेस. एंड दिस वन वेरी मॉडिफाइज एडवर्ब है ना, तो मॉडिफाइज एडजेक्टिव. यह एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई करेगा. इट मॉडिफाइज एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई करता है, करेगा. देखिए he is very weak, he is very weak in maths. वह मैथ्स में बहुत ही कमजोर है. वेरी एडवर्ब and weak adjective. तो very weak, very और किसमें very बहुत क्या weak. तो adverb modifies adjective. मैथ्स में बहुत कमजोर है. she is very strong, वो बहुत ही मजबूत है. she is very strong in her firm determination. वह अपने दृढ़ संकल्प में, डिटर्मिनेशन, दृढ़ संकल्प में बहुत ही मजबूत है. तो here you see adverb and strong adjective, and it does modify strong. Very modifies strong, strong को modify करता है. Yes dear, next adverb, next pair of adverb. pair क्या है? दूसरा pair कौन ले रहा हूं? Next pair, that is fairly and rather. Fairly and rather. Let us understand the uses of fairly. First, कुछ अधिक ही, fairly means कुछ अधिक ही. In this sense with the desirable adjective, fairly to be used with desirable adjective. This fairly to be used with the desirable adjective. And adverb, ये adverb के साथ भी प्रयोग होगा. With desirable वांछनीय adjective and वांछनीय adverb. तो fairly to be used with the desirable adjective and adverb. How? Let us understand. Fairly को. She writes fairly. She writes fairly beautiful. वह कुछ अधिक ही रूप से सुंदर लिखती है. Fairly adverb and a beautiful adjective. So you see here, fairly adverb with desirable adjective, that is beautiful. Fairly beautiful. And fairly beautiful means, she writes fairly beautiful. वह सुंदर अधिक ही रूप से सुंदर लिखती है. मतलब बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया लिखती है. And fairly कुछ अधिक ही means, देखिए, the seagull समुद्री पक्षी होती है. The seagull soars, उड़ान भरती है. The seagull soars fairly soars fairly upward and downward. Fairly adverb and upward adverb दोनों है. दोनों adverb है. ये भी आपका adverb है. तो ऊपर नीचे बड़ी कुछ अधिक ही soaring करती है, उड़ती है, उड़ान भरती है. तो you can see here fairly and adverb और तो fairly with the desirable adverb here. Adverb fairly used with the adverb upward and downward. Downward, upward या downward. Okay, तो हमने दोनों आपका प्रयोग करके दिखा दिया है. So what do you see here? Fairly used with the adjective. Fairly used as with the adverb. So this fairly used with adjective. This fairly used with the adverb. You have seen here. And next is rather. Rather को समझिए. Let us understand rather in what sense. ये भी वही उसी सेंस में है. कुछ अधिक ही. In this sense, rather is used. Rather भी उसी सेंस में आ रहा है, लेकिन with desirable. Rather this one used with undesirable. कौन? Adjective and adverb. ये भी कुछ अधिक ही सेंस में आएगा. और अनडिजायरेबल अवांछनीय एडजेक्टिव, अवांछनीय एडवर्ब के अर्थ में आएगा. इसके कई अर्थ हैं. कुछ अधिक ही का मतलब है बल्कि, अपेक्षाकृत, निश्चय ही, वस्तुतः, निसंदेह. इन हिंदी वस्तुतः, निसंदेह, निश्चय ही, बल्कि, अपेक्षाकृत में कुछ अधिक ही. इन दिस सेंस rather to be used. कह रहा है adjective, rather with adjective, rather with an adverb. देखिए, she is rather, she is rather ugly. हमने यहाँ पर rather adverb है और ugly आपका adjective है. rather कुछ अधिक ही, इसी सेंस में लीजिए. she is rather बिल्कुल ही, and निश्चय ही, या वस्तुतः अगली कुरूप है. तो adverb and here adjective, rather with the adjective in the sense कुछ अधिक ही, निश्चित रूप से, वस्तुतः कुरूप है. एक और adverb हम यहाँ जोड़ देते हैं. देखिए, within, ये भी आपका adverb है और सेंस निकल गया, वह कुछ अधिक ही अगली है, कुरूप है. within means भीतर से. तो what does it mean? थोड़ा आपका लाक्षणिक भाषा हो गया within का. ओके, तो here rather used with adjective, adverb with adjective. The condition of the serious patient, the condition of the patient की दशा is rather hopeless, निराशाजनक. hopeless या hopeful. तो ये आपका, this is your adjective and rather here adverb. तो rather adverb with adjective. You see here rather adverb with adjective. Okay, has been used here. अब हम देखते हैं कि ये rather with adverb. Let us understand. Let us use her behavior, उसका व्यवहार. Her behavior is rather rudely, रुखड़ा व्यवहार. तो रुखड़ापन से, तो rudely, rather here adverb, and rudely here it is also adverb. तो rather with adverb, in this sense, कुछ अधिक ही, rather with. और भी देखा जा सकता है, the criminals, अपराधी लोग, the criminals treat rather cruelly, निर्दयता पूर्वक. Means here you see rather adverb and cruelly adjective. Adverb. Cruelly adverb, rather adverb. So rather here with adverb. So you have seen here rather with adjective. Examples have been given here, and rather with adverb. Examples have been given here. So perhaps you might have learned a lot. Okay. Next word, that is, नेक्स्ट शब्द हम लेते हैं दूसरा, अगला क्या लेते हैं, देखिए, प्रयोग देखिए और सीखिए. एनफ, यहाँ इसका पेयर नहीं है, अकेला ले रहा हूं. तो एनफ, पर्याप्त, सफिशिएंटली. एनफ मीन्स हियर पर्याप्त. क्या? सफिशिएंटली. In this sense, sufficiently, in the sense of sufficiently, it is to be used. कहाँ use होगा? Before noun. Before noun देख लीजिए. Before noun and after adjective and adverb. After adjective and after adverb, तीनों प्रयोग करके हम दिखाते हैं. After adjective, after adverb. Okay, sorry. Before noun, enough used before noun, enough to be used before, sorry, after adjective, enough to be used after adverb. एक एक सेंटेंस लिखते हैं. There is no room. There is no room or not. There is not enough room. Enough room to stay here या to sit down. To sit down. बैठने के लिए. Not enough. Enough means पर्याप्त. Adverb. Enough room here. What does it mean? Room माने here कमरा नहीं बल्कि जगह. जगह. To sit down. बैठने के लिए पर्याप्त जगह नहीं है. तो adverb, enough adverb, and room here जगह. And this room क्या करता है? से पहले ये this room क्या करता है? Sorry, room से पहले enough है, means this is your noun. This is your noun, and before noun enough adverb has been used. Here you can see before noun enough has been used here. Next example, he is wise enough. He is enough wise. Enough, no, yes, right. Enough wise. He is enough wise to solve this problem. To solve this problem. इस समस्या को problem. इस समस्या को हल करने के लिए enough adverb, wise now adjective, and enough adverb. He is enough wise. So adverb used of enough used after adjective. गलती हो गया, sorry. He is after adjective. He is wise enough, right? Wise enough. He is wise enough to solve this problem. Wise here, adjective, and enough adverb after adjective. Enough used after adjective. You can see here. है ना? After adjective. इसको हमने देखा. और फिर next प्रयोग. He walks. वह काम करता है. इसी से बना लेते हैं आपका wisely enough. He walks wisely enough to succeed. सफल होने के लिए बड़ी बुद्धिमानी पूर्वक वह पर्याप्त बुद्धिमानी पूर्वक काम करता है. walks. तो wisely adverb, enough adverb, तो after adverb, enough here has been used after adverb. So enough has been used here before noun, after adjective, after adverb. You can see here in these three sentences. Yes, dear, use these adverbs as shown, as presented to you. use more and more, learn more and more. Wish you all the best and great test. Thank you.